Yes, I'm a year older since the last time y'all seen me. Okay, I know how to look it. It is the Queen's birthday, so actually we're going to be celebrating. What is up, my loves? Come in the building. Can y'all see me okay? Probably not, because the lighting over here is a little dim. But what's up, Royal family? Welcome to the Keys to the Kingdom, where we drop all the keys to the kingdom. Dr. G is in the building. Come on and hit that subscribe button. Join us because we are kings and queens, actively living out our purposes, full of positive vibes, changing lives, and loving on the Lord right here. You already know this is the Keys to the Kingdom because we give you all the keys to your freedom. So if you are ready to be set free, my loves, wait, hold on. What am I talking about? It is the Queen's birthday. So baby, we're going to be cooking. God of the impossible, there is no power greater, exceeding abundance, beyond what we could ask or think. Huh? 5:47? Yeah, you ready? Yeah, you ready? What is up, Royal family? I'm trying a piece of family. Don't mind my hair. When it's hot, things get real. Delicioso. Mm. It's my birthday and I look how I want to. Praise God.